Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Like we discussed on our last video, you can see that market has respected our zone and the fundamentals has driven the market down. And as we expected, the unemployment claims of USA was positive for US. I mean, they are having pretty much a very decent employment growth in USA. People who are unemployed are becoming less every then and now. As you can see, the unemployment claims it is 228,000, but the forecast was 239,000, which is relatively good for US economy, and that's what drove the market down. And it has fallen all the way from 1985 until from 1985 to 1956, which is almost 300 pips. So that was a pretty much good sell, and the resistance is still holding strong. So as we can see, the fundamentals of USA is becoming better and better by day, better and better every day. So for now, if we focus on gold, as of now, if you can see, it has created a double bottom, which is clearly visible, and it has moved upwards from 1958 to 1968. Has already shooted up by 100 pips for now. As you can see, this is a clear double bottom, and a bullish hammer has been discovered at the double bottom, so which is a clear indication that the price will always shoot upwards once you find this kind of a setup. And if we move our analysis, we'll check what has happened with EURUSD. We can see EURUSD, I'm sorry about that, and EURUSD also has respected our price zone. As I told you, that this is a very good zone for rejection. As you can see, it has been rejected all the way from 1.12600 to 1.10800, which is the lowest as of now. So the price is at a key zone at the moment. As you can see, it was a resistance, and it broke out the resistance. At this particular zone, we can expect a bullish momentum on EURUSD, but as of now, you can see the Euro's PMI, everything is in negative, which is below the forecast. But Germany's PMI is still above 50, which is not really worse. Above 50, it is already a good thing for the economy. But the rest, French PMI has, as you can see, it is way below 50, and German flash manufacturing PMI is much more less, like 38.8, which is literally a lower figure. And also we can expect US's PMI at 5:45 p.m. Dubai's time today, and which will be relatively driving the market on gold. I believe, as I spotted the double bottom, the gold's price will shoot up a bit before it falls down all the way. So as for today's analysis, gold is staying at this zone, but most likely the price will shoot upwards towards this level 1976, and then all the way you can expect a greater downfall. So as of now, dollar is becoming stronger, or else I have another theory also. There is a resistance, or you can see a block in here. So most likely the price will shoot all the way to 1940 from 1969. If you can see on a higher time frame, it is creating it's almost an inverse almost a head and shoulders, as it's forming a head and shoulders. But let's see how it goes. As of today's PMI will be released. For now, we are having a double bottom, and the price is already up. After the PMI, I believe the market will behave in this manner, because as you can see, here's a big liquidity to be cleared, and the price has been moving towards the higher side ever since the price came down. And at this particular point, what we can see, most of you would have thought after the breakout of this support zone, the market will retest and most likely to fall. But what actually has happened in here is, as you saw, the market was moving sideways. Most likely when the market moves sideways, once the price breaks below the support or above the resistance, it is expected that mostly the institutions are playing their role to take out the retail traders. As you saw, it broke out this support, and it made an inverse head and shoulders over here. Most likely everybody wanted to sell as they saw support becoming a resistance, but all of a sudden the price moved upwards, showing that still the retailers, still the institutions are the game playmakers in this. So as you can see, this was where all the retailers, most of them got trapped in this, and now I believe that this is what the market will do. Just a prediction, but always be calculative with your risks and take your trades accordingly. If the price breaks above this resistance, you know how you can trade it. Wait for the retest, and if you get a bullish confirmation, you can buy it all the way from here. So have some patience before you start your trading. And what we'll see what's happening with the dollar index. As I told you, it was clear and pretty much as we know, it's a clear double bottom, and it broke out and retested and it went all the way up, and at this point there is an order block. But on the index, let's see today's news will drive the markets. It won't respect any orders or whatever. As after the today's PMI releases, we can see if the market will continue its rally or if it will drop down back. I believe market will behave on the favorable side for the US dollar, because it has been down ever since it fell to 99, and I'm expecting index towards, let me show you the zone. It's already at the zone. I'm expecting the index at around this point, 102.255, and then maybe we can wait to know on which direction it is heading. As of now, the index is moving upwards. As of now, index is moving upwards, so let's wait and see if it will respect this trend and fall back again, or if it will break out above it and move higher. So let's wait. As we did our last analysis, the market was very much respecting our zones, and for now, if we see, we have had some good trades based on our last analysis. And keep following, stay tuned to Zylostar, and you shall always make sure that you're taking your trades calculative. Use proper risk management and wait for confirmations before placing your trades. And that's it. See you on the next video.